BPCL could well be in focus today. They've picked up a 21% stake in Fino Paytech for a sum total of 250 crore rupees. Fino Paytech, remember, has been granted a payment bank license as well recently. So an interesting acquisition here. P. Balasubramanian, Director Finance at BPCL, joins us on the show right now. Mr. Balasubramanian, interesting transaction. What may be the rationale behind this?
Well, good morning. BPCL has got ambitious plans on using technology in the various segments of the retail market, especially urban, rural, highways, and the semi-urban areas. One of the things we are looking at is the electronic platform by which we can give the financial services for the overall financial inclusion in the rural areas, be it a money transfer service, be it a cash withdrawal, domestic money transfer, and proposition for enabled e-commerce, etc. for the rural. In this regard, we would like to leverage our retail as well as the LPG network to get into this market. We are also looking at two-wheeler, three-wheeler services apart from these electronic services in the rural market, and allied services like DTH recharge with any of the DTL companies, mobile recharge, so that the people have flexibility of time in doing these businesses apart from looking at the banking time.
Bala, but a 250 crore investment for a 21% stake, that's not going to move the needle for BPCL. I mean, some would argue that this is just a side investment, more like it looks great, but will this move the needle for you?
We are looking at a strategic partnership with Fino, and along with that, we have taken an equity in that thing. The question is that the thing is that how to leverage the strength of mutual strength of each of the entities, which Fino has got a big network of franchisees as well as their agencies through which they operate the other financial inclusion products. We are looking at leveraging our network as well as leveraging the network of Fino to have the overall financial inclusion and other allied services, which will be the differentiator in the market. There is no product differentiation in this particular industry. So the service will be the key in this industry in the competition sets in. That is where we are looking at a sort of a strategic alliance and investments in this regard.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us and giving us that sense. The pre-open rates are here. I think deceptive. This will not be the start, but let's see. Individual movers within there could be well in focus. The likes of L&T and ICICI Bank. The two key results. By the way, look at the rupee.